Yeah, court today. Put the hat back on.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for the grace.
Ma'am, you know you had court today?
Yeah.
Why would you come in here like that?
Let me tell you something. I've been sick. It's a lot going on.
Are you sick now?
I am.
You come in my courtroom sick? Were you trying to get us all sick?
I ain't want to go to jail.
Jail?
Yeah, because if I didn't come, I would have had a warrant, right?
For you could have logged in for Zoom. Again, I didn't set this for a final pretrial. I wouldn't have set them driving unlicensed for a final pretrial to appear in person. Unless the city is taking a hard stance. Sometimes the city is the federales and they're like, we're not giving offers. If that was the case, that's different. But I was not here. My understanding is that Judge Ball probably did this.
Yes.
And that the last time I saw her was in September and she was working with financial empowerment.
I actually think it was Flores who did this.
Well, it could have been it is Flores. Flores did do this.
Well, Ms. Chester has made the proper progress, Your Honor, and has to change her license.
You could appear via Zoom.
I know. She said in person, so I just
It was a final pretrial.
I get it. Well, realistically, if you made, these are city ordinance matters. This is not a citation. You've made the progress. There's no reason why your attorney, if your attorney was advised of this before today, could have let the city know and they could have just said, we're gonna dismiss it. Or whatever they were gonna do. I don't know what the offer is.
No. Given the age of the case, it would be amending to an impeding civil infraction.
It's an impeding civil infraction, which is she able to afford that? Because we have to go through a financial empowerment to get her a license. Are you working? How do you support yourself?
My mom really supports me, honestly.
How old are you?
29.
Dang.
Not everybody got good parents, but I do. So
That's but not everybody have good kids. You're not a good kid. If you're 29 and your mom has to support you.
Yeah.
So you don't get a job.
There's reasons why I can't go to work. You can't just judge somebody off of what you think you know.
Well, I did was look at you, and your response was, "Not everybody got good parents, but I do." I have a circumstance that prevents me from the ability to work. What circumstance prevents you from the ability to earn a living for yourself at 29?
Because I don't have the financial to pay for daycare. Daycare is an arm and a leg.
That's your circumstance.
Yeah, it is.
The fine is $135. When are you going to pay it?
Okay. I could pay it sometime this week. Hopefully that'll be the end of this case.
I don't know if you'll pay the fine within 7 days. You can pay online, or you can come up and pay in person. If you need an extension, it's your responsibility to contact the court to request an extension, okay?
I don't need one.
That's great. I'm glad you don't, because you don't want to get a show cause and or a benchmark. Any additional matters for this record?
No, Your Honor. Nothing further, Your Honor.
You're all set. Imagine believing that it's your parents' responsibility to take care of you and your children. That's a valid reason.
I'm a great parent.
Because you didn't have some kids in the cost of daycare. That's a little mind blown. Yeah.
Is she one of the ones who is grateful for the help?
That doesn't want it's entitled.
Yeah.
Not grateful.
Yeah.
It's an entitlement.
Yeah. I do get frustrated by the ones who refuse to acknowledge the assistance their parents give them though. Great parents that always drives me nuts.
So sometimes you can take advantage of
100%.
parents.
Absolutely.
Let's see here.
Because I wasn't there.
Well, you work for the same damn company, don't you?
No,
Like that.
I don't work for the city of Plainview.
Well, what the fuck you doing in front of my face then? If you
I'm
don't
the
work for City of Plainview.
I'm the justice.
Yeah, we're trying to get your magistrate over here, Jared. Are you still there?
He turned the camera off. Okay, there we go. Looks like, okay, are you there? Did you freeze up? Your name, please?
DeWanna Jones Bradshaw.
All right, Miss Jones. Well, I'm Judge Collins, and all I'm here to do this afternoon is read you your rights, tell you what your charges are, bond amount, if any. We are doing this magistration by video conference, and I also need to advise you that it is being recorded. Excuse me, and it is being live streamed on YouTube.
Live streamed on YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody.
You have a right to have it. It's a public event. So looks like you have two charges that we have to talk about. Looks like you've been charged with assault caused bodily injury.
I didn't hit anybody, ma'am.
Okay, and you've also been charged with resist arrest.
No, I did do that because when he grabbed my arm, I've got a big scratch from that officer when he grabbed me on my arm. And
Okay,
that's why I pulled my arm away. I mean,
Okay.
that's pretty bad, man.
okay. So,
And I'm just like, go ahead.
okay, thank you. Bond amount on these charges, Miss Jones, are $2,500 each. So if you wish to ask the court to appoint a lawyer, there's a form that we can complete concerning your property, income, and expenses. Your request is
Yeah,
for.
because I'm probably gonna need one.
All right, so I'll have some questions that I'll need to ask you. This is the information the judge will use to decide if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. By no means am I trying to pry into your personal affairs or anything like that, okay?
Mhm.
All right, so are you single, married, and living together, married but separated?
I'm married and my husband's in here.
Okay. And if employed, name of employer?
I'm probably gonna lose my job today. I'm employed, but I'm probably not gonna have a job if I can't get out here.
And is your husband employed?
Huh. No, he's been with y'all for 6 months.
Okay.
Are you ready to go? I ain't walking down, but you want me down here to fucking bullshit. Have that in it.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing going to keep you, but. It's just what's going on. I don't want to fuck for it count.
Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, man. Now that, I know if you heard, but that other one would not happen.
Yes, sir. I pretty much heard it.
Okay.
Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Mr. Collins. You all right?
I'm okay. You staying okay?
Yeah, I don't know why they feel like to beat me up for rejecting their shit. But can I get Ryan? I can't do nothing, Ryan. I can't. So I say, no, do not do it again. That's cool. But other than that, I'm sort of bitch.
Okay. Well,
right.
let's talk about why you're here this morning. You know, I need to tell you what you're charged with and give you an opportunity to ask for a court-appointed attorney. We are going to record this and we are going to have it live stream on YouTube. Looks
Is
like
it across YouTube?
yes, sir.
Oh, it does?
Yes, sir. Okay.
All right.
So be nice, okay?
Why are you on YouTube?
Okay. Because we have to make sure that it's an
All right, this is live. This is live.
come
on,
on,
man. That damn.
come
It's
on.
live.
Okay. So looks like you've been charged with the offense of theft of property less than 2,500, but with two or more previous convictions.
Hey, man.
On this charge, you do have the right to be represented by a lawyer. If you're too poor to hire your own lawyer, you may ask that a lawyer be appointed for you. Bond amount on this charge, Brian, is $5,000. So if you want to ask the court to appoint a lawyer, there's a form that we can complete concerning your property, income, and expenses. Well, what's your home address, Brian?
Well,
You don't have one? Okay. So Are you saying you're homeless?
What? Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
homeless? Okay. So how do you eat, Brian? Where do you
Well,
get
now.
food from? Where do
Well,
you get
now.
food from? Do you go to the food banks or do the churches or friends?
No, I don't have an ID. I don't do none of that. I just, man, I ain't got a home for these. You know what I mean? I dumpster and all that shit, man. Fuck all that. I don't want to see all that shit. You got to know all that.
Okay, so zeros on everything and that you're homeless. And if you'll sign on that paper at the bottom where it says
I'm
defendant.
sorry. I don't mean to be all rude with you, but I don't want to ask all that dumbass shit. I'm sorry.
You're okay. You're fine. I get it.
I mean, like, no, fuck you to you. I was saying, I don't know how to put it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be cool. All right? 'Cause I do love you. 'Cause I see you all the time. But it don't matter how I saw you, but I see you all the time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes,
And
sir.
you're always nice, so I'm nice. What are we doing?
Hey,
Sign
sign
where
right
it
there.
says
Right there.
defendant. Sign your name, please, Brian.
Oh, shit. Yo, this didn't cost you waking me up.
Probably in the signature. I'll sign right there.
And then call your mom wake me up with this.
Oh, okay. Well, I was trying to do it
This is
this
my favorite
morning.
one,
I was
so
busy and couldn't get to you. So,
yeah.
all right, Brian. Well, that'll conclude everything we needed to do this morning or
All
this
right.
afternoon now.
Is that a news? We
Yeah.
already had lunch?
That's 12:30.
Oh shit. All
You
right,
missed.
well, just comments.
Yes,
I
sir.
love you.
All right, Brian. Thank you. You take care of yourself.
You're a badass. You always demonstrate me with a smile. You're awesome.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to sleep now. I have to do bad shit. All right.
I got 12:08 on Jones and 12:22 on Ruben.
Okay.
Close with two.